In this recording, I'm going to show you how to change your background color. So I'm going to open up a file from my downloads. I'm going to open up this rubber duck. And I want to change its background to not be white. Now I'm going to zoom in on the duck to make it bigger. So I'm going to double click this hand icon over here. Now he's nice and big. And what I want to do is change out the background. So I need to select the area I want to edit. So I can use a few different tools to do that. You have your lasso tools here, which can circle around, or I can use my magic wand tool. I'm going to choose to do my magic wand tool and select the white space around it. So if I click with one click, because it's white pixels, it's going to pick everything up. It doesn't matter what my tolerance is. So that's a really quick way to just select something. But if I wanted to select the duck, you can notice that it's not going to pick up all those pixels with my magic wand. I could adjust my tolerance to have it pick up more pixels, but it still doesn't do the job quite like I want it to. So in order to select all of them, I can hold down Shift and then continue to click until it finds all of my edges. But I want to change the color of the background, so I'm not worried about that. So I'm going to click off of there into my background. Now, if I want to fill the background, if I want to get rid of the background, I can just click Delete. And it might pop up with some of these options. So you could change your background color in here. Or you can also find the paint bucket tool or the gradient tool. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 down. And if I click and hold on there, I can see my options: gradient, paint bucket, or 3D material drop. If I just go to my paint bucket, I can select my color. Now right down here in the left corner, these are my swatch colors. If I click this little button, it's going to flip-flop. It's going to switch my foreground and my background. So right now my foreground color is pink. If I want to change that, I can do so by going up here, and then I can just dump the color. If I want to change it to different color, then I can keep changing it. I'm going to leave it as that magenta. Now, a different way to change the background would be to do the gradient. So if I go back to this paint bucket, click and hold, go to my gradient tool, I want to make sure I have two different colors selected over here. So I'm going to choose my pink, and I have blue chosen. What's cool about this tool is it will switch your background to be a little bit more kind of funky. So if you look up here, there's different options. So here is just a standard gradient. Whichever way I pull my cursor, it will move those colors. This one is a radial gradient, so it can kind of make a circle shape. This is a sort of geometric look at gradation. This one is stripes or lines, so if I pull my cursor short, it will make a short stripe. If I pull it long, it'll make a bigger stripe. And this is sort of a diamond look. So those are different ways to change your background.